So today, what we are going to talk about is our financial freedom futures, so that we all can be wealthy and not worry about anything. Don is one of my financial planners. Don Rice lives here in Cherokee County.
And so that's key in understanding that. So you have to have that proper structure in place in order to be taxed that way. And of course, you need to make your quarterly payments and all that kind of stuff that'll keep you from getting yourself in trouble. A lot of people, especially when they're new business owners, well, nobody's taking any money out, so I'll just wait. My CPA will tell me what I have to pay next year. Well, if you're not making a lot of money, that might be okay. But if you end up having a great year, you might not be ready for a $100,000 tax bill. So you need to make sure that you're doing your quarterly payments so that you keep yourself out of trouble. A lot of people will get themselves in trouble because they're not used to making that big tax payment at the end of the year because they haven't paid anything all year. And if you owe, $20,000, $30,000, $40,000, sometimes it's hard to come up with that money right away. So I would say definitely you want to put some money aside. What I usually coach people on is make your quarterly payments, plus keep a savings account for taxes that you keep about 10% of everything you make in. So you're making those quarterlies plus an additional 10% of income that's coming in that savings account. That way, if your quarterlies don't cover everything, you've got that account so you can easily make that payment. And if your quarterlies do cover everything, it's kind of just like getting a tax return back. You have that account that you can now pull that money right back out of, or you can use that next year to easily make your quarterlies. So it makes it very easy for you to run your business on the tax side if you're making your quarterly payments and putting about 10% of income in that savings account that I call the tax savings account. But again, the biggest thing here, make sure you're structured as an LLC. I would say an LLC is an S election. And if you have a CPA that'll do that for you, that's great. If not, we can definitely help you handle that. And on the other side is you can do it yourself. It's about $150 for you to go online and do it yourself. But it's only about $300 or $400 to have a CPA do it for you. So technically that's way better because they're going to handle the state. They're going to handle the paperwork. They're going to handle all the regulation work. They're going to handle everything. It takes a lot of headache off of you. So definitely we say it's always better to have a professional do that for you. And then all you have to worry about is your $50 a year that you have to pay to keep your LLC running. You'll just get an email, pay that. And that's the only headache you'll have every single year.
I'll be sharing insightful and informative videos on stress-free retirement, being your own bank, setting up college funds, understanding Social Security, wills, probate, trust, and how the Fed Reserve rate hikes affect your mortgage rates. And always, real estate solutions. I'm your go-to expert in real property. Look for my YouTube channel, living in Canton, Georgia, where it is sunny as can be right now. If you find value here, please like and share so others might as well. Remember, I'm not a videographer, not a video editor. I just want to share the most important info with you guys. Each video has a full version of around half hour or so, but there are multiple shorts of only 5 minutes or less as well. My name, Daniel Klopfelter. My area of specialty is real estate and asset protection for more than 25 years. So why am I exhorting you to view financial-based videos on a real estate channel? Good question. I believe that we all do better when we know better, which is why I'm here to expose you to a team of experts who know the topics that matter most. All of these topics work in unison. Full disclosure, I receive nothing for doing these videos other than the satisfaction of adding value to you. So smash that like button already. What are you waiting for? Share this so other people can see it. Y'all have a great day.